Keep squeezing down. Fall back, back, back. Wow. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Tummy up,
Up.
up, down. Hold on.
Drop it down, down, drop it down, drop it like it's hot. There you go. Relax there. Thank you.
Muito bom. Respira fundo. Vai relaxando, vai soltando os ombros. Muito bom. Muito bom.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder where your left bigger. There you go. Better.
L4, L5.
L4, 5. Yeah. Let's see. There you go. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me get another one. There you go. Did you feel that one up there more? Don't worry, I haven't lost patient on the floor yet. I won't start with you. There you go.
Ugh,
You're still noisy all over.
I know. My knee is popping a lot more now that my back is hurting. Is
That's
that
because of your
weird?
hip.
So I come up to the top of the table. We're gonna distract your spine out. Just like that.
That was good.
So we just have a little spot in here. There we go. We always like to bring and check this out over here. Good. I'm gonna come right through here. Perfect. And exhale all the way out. Good. Perfect. That was nice and cleared out. Good. And she knows this one before. I kind of caught her off guard the first time. Good. Good. Now come right to the other side. Perfect.
That's it. Let it go. A little bit more. Good. Right there. Good. And relax there. A little bit more. Yeah. All the way out. Let it go. Excellent. And relax. Good. I'm going to hit that right one also. Right inside here. And just relax your legs a bit. Good. Bring it down a little bit. A little closer. Right side there. Good. Excellent. Excellent. So breathe in real deep. All the way out, Jules. There you go. Excellent. Breathe all the way out, Jules. Right there. Excellent. Breathe in again. Real deep. All the way out, Jules. Just let it go. Good. Over here. Good. Good. And go flat on your back. And again. Well. Drop there. Down to the sacrum. Little movement, but I'll take it. You know? Wow. Beautiful. And again. The
clavicular here. Wow, big release. Wow, another
For
one.
your first time, I'm going to do this very light, but you're probably going to feel this all the way down your spine. There we go. Good. Bring you down on the table. Breathe all the way out, all the way out. Good.
Relax your neck here. There we go. And we're going to get that from the other side as well. Relax here. There you go. There we go. And just let this come for me. There we go. Good. Let's go ahead and do an adjustment to your lower back. Take a breath in. Let it out. Nice and gentle. There we go. Let it out. Fall back on my hand. Just relax. There we go.
Oh wow, that
Does that
feels
feel
so
better?
good. Yeah.